And look at them. They're always together, you know. And I am paranoid. I mean, you know, I'm crazy when they are together. My brain is like, oh, Bambina again is not okay. You know, I don't know why, but Achi mama. Everyone, today is Sunday, September 28th, and this is Bambina. She's always like this since yesterday. Look, everyone, she's like this. Now it's 5:30, everyone, a.m. Bambina is with me. She didn't eat. Bambina again. It's September 28th, everyone. Look what she did. We are here at the bed. Oh, she has a temperature. Bambina has a temperature. Nene,